UK and Benelux produce over 700,000 tonnes of apples per year. Half of these are high-quality dessert and culinary apples that must meet strict quality requirements to be sold to British and Dutch consumers. Growing high-quality apples is challenging and requires sophisticated methods and constant input. Supermarkets demand apples without damage that are the right size, shape and colour. Anything less will be rejected. British and Dutch growers also produce 6,000 tonnes of cherries and almost 500,000 tonnes of pears, which require intense management and high levels of input to support a rising demand for these fresh fruits. But orchards face pressures from adverse weather, stress, disease, pests, nutrient deficiencies, and invasive plants that can negatively impact fruit quality and yield. To combat this pressure, growers use fertilizers, pesticides, nutrients, and crop enhancement technology like Amētros. Amētros contains CAT technology that helps mobilize calcium at a cellular level. Let's see how it works. The thick waxy layer of the apple makes it difficult for nutrients to get through. Conventional calcium products build up on the surface, allowing little calcium to get through to the cells. Amētros penetrates the apple, delivering calcium much more efficiently, ultimately allowing more calcium to get where it's needed. Generally, calcium movement is passive, moving with water, driven by water loss from the skin. Calcium can flow around cells but not enter them. With Amētros, CAT technology can stimulate the flow of calcium into cells, resulting in localized active movement of calcium from cell to cell. We continue to do research in this area, working with leading institutions like Lancaster University.
This is my third year working with Plant Impact as a PhD researcher, looking at optimising the CAT product. The main aims of my project are looking at calcium mobilisation and movement within plants, particularly crop species. I've been using bioimaging techniques which allow us to visualise calcium at the cellular level and look at its movement throughout the plant tissue.
We were using calcium flakes, and we did switch to CAT, obviously primarily because of the efficiency of the product, and secondly because it's much easier to apply. We don't need to have breaks during the day because there is not the risk of squash.
We use Amētros mainly to help the calcium deficiency in the fruit, on the apples, the bitter pit, and also helps with the storage and the quality at the end of the storage life. And for the cherries, it helps with the, again, calcium intake, but also with splitting of the fruit, which is a major problem we have with cherries.
Het is het eerste jaar dat we Amētros gebruiken op dit bedrijf, op aanraden van de teeltvoorlichter. Deze keuze hebben we direct aangenomen, want het middel slaat fantastisch aan. Het is lekker zacht voor het gewas en goed mengbaar.
Aanstaande seizoen zijn we toch van plan om het weer te gaan gebruiken. En 4 keer behandeleenheden om zo de schilkwaliteit van Unami op te krikken.
Voor hardheid, kwaliteit en de mengbaarheid. Ja, want vroeger, de gewone calcium van vroeger was qua mengbaarheid niet te doen.
Growers around Europe know that a program that includes Amētros helps them meet the highest quality standards and ensures consumers enjoy the best tasting fruit. For more information, contact your local distributor or visit our website plantimpact.com.